It's currently 12:23. We kind of just left the house and we're heading to get lunch in Chinatown. We were supposed to go to the Glebe Markets this morning, but we obviously didn't wake up for it, which honestly I'm not completely mad about because after last night I feel like I needed the sleep in anyways. And the weather is really shit today. It was absolutely pissing down until around 10, which is like just after when we should have left the house. So yeah. Besides kimchi, I think this is the first vegetable I've had this whole trip.
Oh god. I'm very fearful of what's about to unfold. Can I just pick it a singles?
We have to sue.
The fucking
Well, the Spoon Away Single has another one in
ice
Bum.
hair bar.
So late for me.
Yeah. Almost down.
Milk. I just got home. Samuel and Josh went to the Net Cafe after we finished playing pool, and I'm just gonna get ready for dinner. I think I am so tired from last night. I just can't stay out past like 9 p.m. anymore. I came home first just to get ready. I might pack up my suitcase a little bit because it is our last night and our flight tomorrow is at like, I want to say 9 a.m. So we're gonna have to get to the airport really early. But I thought I'd do a little unboxing of my last Sunny Angel hair. I actually still have my marine one, but I want to open that with my sister because I got her a couple of them as well. So I bought the sweets and I got the pancake yesterday, but again, I really want the strawberry shortcake or the cream puff or the popcorn or the ice cream. So fingers crossed I didn't get the others. But I don't know, I feel like when I don't choose it myself, I don't have the best luck. But when they give it to me, oh, what is this? The pudding! Okay, this one's really fucking cute. Okay, I'm actually quite happy with that. Really cute. Oh my god, so cute. Yeah, that was it. Last night we went to Korean barbecue and absolutely terrorized all of the wait staff that worked at the restaurant. I think we got like three of them to do shots with us. They were just such good company and I felt really bad because the boys were being so annoying to them. We were shouting at them from like across the restaurant and stuff, but they were really good sports. And then after that we went and took some full cuts. And we did some coin karaoke as well, where Josh and I both lost our voices after we came home. And I think like even this morning I woke up, my throat hurt so much. I'm a bit sad that our time is up, but honestly, I'm also really ready to go home and just rest. I have an extra day off work just to get my shit together, which I always do every time I travel. But for some reason, I just know I'm gonna be like extra tired after this trip. Just because we've done so much the last 4 days. Bit sad, but happy to be going home. Spousal assault. Your fucking search is at the top.
You know how like someone does it?
3.3. Good rating.
I trust you. Show a good review on TikTok.
Did you get a fillet of fish? Fuck.
What's wrong with these drivers?
That's so sad.
Are they not prescription yet?
Hold on. You ready? The jellyfish.
A seahorse.
This is what happens when I don't pick them myself. Please. I got the whale.
Yay! What is this?
Shell. I want the shell. Shell.